Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use uh, two important command. First is bend from flat and second is curve mapping command. Okay, two command is very important command is discussed here, and guys CATIA lecture 86 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, two command is discussed here. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first create a sheet. Okay, at first drawing a sheet, then use a command. Okay, at first drawing a center rectangle. Okay, this is a center rectangle. Mention dimension is a okay dimension is a 200 and this is a 150. Okay, 150 is 130 better. Okay, 180 is correct. This is a 100. Okay, correct. Exit. Okay, and at first unless we are not okay unless we are not select a we are not click a sheet metal parameters, then other commands is not active. At first click a sheet metal parameters, then all command is active. Okay, click this command and sheet metal parameters is dialogs box is pop up, and all thickness is 2 millimeter and default vent radius is 4 millimeter, and all is a default setting here. Okay, and sheet create a wall is a create a sheet. Okay, this is correct, and all plane is hide. Okay, all plane is hide because sheet is looking nice, and use a material. Okay, this is a steel, and click OK, steel, double click here, and reflectivity is a high. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, apply this. Okay, this is a perfect. And today discuss here a bend from flat. Okay, this face select here and sketch, draw any profile is drawing here. This is a profile and this is a correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, and this command is a bend from flat. Today discuss here, this command is a very important and very useful command used in CATIA. Okay, this click here, bend from flat definition dialogs box is pop up, and at first select a profile. Okay, select a profile means this line is a profile. Okay, next point is select a fixed point. Okay, this is a fixed point. Okay, and this is a profile and this is a fixed point is select here, preview is showing here, this is a bend. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. And guys this is a perfect. And okay, and all is a correct. Okay, And next is a curve mapping. Okay, this is a curve mapping is a perfect. Okay, this is undo process is undo. And at first drawing a wall on edge, this edge and this edge. Okay, this is a, and also this edge. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. And this is a hide. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, next is a curve mapping, means at first drawing this face and use a sketch is a drawing any circle. Okay, circle is a draw here. Okay, exit. Okay, this point is a exit. And this is a curve mapping, means click here, this is a curve mapping. Okay, and this is a bodies. Okay, and this is a cutout. At first this face is a unfold. Okay, this is a unfold. And at first select this face and this. Okay, this is a correct. Fold is unfold, and this body is a cutout. Select here. And next lecture is detail explain a cutout, but today help of use. Okay, this click here. Okay, this is a arrow is a inside out inside. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this body is cut out, and again this is a fold. This face select here, and this is a and body is fold. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, cutout is correct, but help of point here curve mapping. Okay, next point is this face. Select here any, draw a ellipse. This face is a, okay, this is a correct. Ellipse is a, okay, this is a correct. And okay, exit. And use a point or curve mapping. And okay, this select this profile, and this is a sketch. Okay, click. Okay, and at first drawing a, at first this body is unfold, and then this face and this edge. Okay, this is a unfold is correct. Okay, and this is a cutout, and this body, this profile is select here. Okay, this is a outside. Guys, this is a outside, is arrow is outside, so then click. Okay, then body is outside, cut here. Okay, and this is a undo. And okay, this body is a, this body is inside. Okay, inside is board, this face is cut here. Okay, this is a cutout. Okay, and again this is a fold, this face, and this is a, this body is folded. Okay, this is a correct. Again this face is a exercise here. This is a circle, and okay, spline. This spline is a, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again use a, okay, this is a point or curve mapping. Select this profile is select here, and okay, this is a this. Okay, and this body is a at first unfold, and then this unfold, this face, and this is, and body is unfold. Okay, and okay, this is a correct, and this is cut out. This face, body is outside. Okay, this is a outside. Okay, this is a in outside. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, body is okay, this is a perfect. And again use a fold this face, and this is a fold here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect here. Okay, this is a correct. Body is okay, this is a isometric view. Okay, so looking so nice. Okay, zoom in out. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.